Well, I did promise you that I was going to do a quick review. So one of my subscribers sent me Krowned Queenz. She sells eyelashes.
Ooh, no one else can compare. No one nowhere to my savior. I mean, I get new mercies every day.
And I'm going to put her handle down in the description box. She's a young woman doing her thing. And she sent me this eyelash. I was supposed to have done the review a long time ago. This one is called Karma. It was so beautiful. I'm going to put a picture right here. And I'm also going to show you guys a little video. This is what it comes with it. It comes with a glue and this little scissors here to cut your or adjust your eyelashes according to the way you like it. This is her business card. Krowned Queenz, so you can check her out on all her social medias. I'm going to put her handle again down in my description box. And she wrote me a really cute note. I love when business owners do this. And this reminds me of today. Pastor, you know, today is Covenant Day of Breakthrough, business breakthrough. And Pastor was just talking about having excellence in our business and packaging. And she did a phenomenal job with her packaging. So in her little note, she said, "Hi Miata, I would like to thank you once again for allowing me to send you Crown Queen best-selling. You have good eyes, because Karma is my personal favorite. I hope that you will love this gift as much as we love sending it to you. We hope we'll be able to do business together in the future. Thank you." That's so sweet. That's so sweet. And I really love it. So it came in this package again, and this is what the box looks like. I love the sparkles around it. I ordered Karma, and that's the lash. It's so beautiful, and I just love the packaging. Everything is just so cute. The glue and her card, and then she put her business card. So please check her out. She's a young black queen. Support other black businesses. So just go ahead and check her out. Even if you can just order one eyelash, I'm going to put my discount code down below so that you can get a discount when you order your lash.